A very wonderful day from the AdGo TV. My name is Shola Baishomori. This is Education Watch and is put in place primarily to facilitate the implementation of policy on education, the attainment of policy goals, and the promotion of effectiveness of the educational system in Nigeria. It's all about education, and there's the platform where we do this. This is AdGo TV, and don't forget you can follow up on various social media handles, and it'd be good to do that. And you can reach out to us if you want to be part of this program. It's all about education. It's your voice, and this is the only platform where you can actually relate your voice with us. Now, there's something that is going on. A student said something that the university that she attends sent her results to her parents via SMS. And that has brought in a lot of issues that have to do with the aspects of universities, tertiary institutions sending results to student parents. And we are looking at it that is it right for the tertiary institution to send results to parents directly? Would that not be an infringement on the rights and the privacy of students at various levels? And that is what we are looking at on Education Watch today. There will be quite a lot of issues everywhere, people raising several concerns about that. Now, the parents on their part, most of them believe that the results should be sent to them. Why? Because a lot of people believe that they are the one paying for their watch, and they are the one that are responsible for these their children and wards. So they should be able to get their feedback from the school. Now, it goes far because when we look at other terrain, there are quite a lot of issues that have to do with the third party issue, and that brings the aspect of law into it. Now, what is law saying about this? Is it right for you to send the result to a third party? Because in this situation here, the parents happen to be the third party. And if you are sending the result of a student to parent, then you are infringing on the privacy of such student. And these have been a lot of issues. Various universities in Nigeria are now doing that. They are sending results directly to parents. And it's coming up. Though some students actually said they have not been able to pull down the names of who should have access to their result. But when they are coming in with their registration, they put down the name of their parents and their numbers. Now, to bring us to the issue, what about people that don't have parents? What about the parents that are not even educated? These are some of the issues that are raised by some of the students. And some students actually said that sending their result to their parents is something that will steer up their blood pressure level, because some of them that have not done well, that the parent might not be able to withstand that, and that might lead to medical issues. So quite a lot of issues are coming up, and that is why on Education Watch on AdGo TV, we are looking out for the perspective. Is it right for our institution to send the results directly to parents? Could that not be an infringement on the rights and privacy of such students? And we are going to be continuing this debate, and I believe that quite a lot of people are going to be looking at this and be talking more on this. And let's follow us on AdGo TV on YouTube. Let's look at it. A lot of issues have been raised. Let's get your feedback, and you can get a number on the screen and call. And if you have your advert, you can be part of this. This is Education Watch. It's all about education. It's a support for the education system in Nigeria. It's all about education issues and policies and how to promote the education system in Nigeria. So we are looking at stakeholders. We are looking at people that are involved and trying to get. And one of the major stakeholders is the tertiary institution in Nigeria that are playing a major role in the development of education in Nigeria. I'll be taking calls. I'll be taking feedback from several platforms, and I'll be looking at some of the issues that are raised via this policy on Education Watch. My name is Shola Baishomori. This is Education Watch, and I'll be back after this time out. Please stay.